Hey guys, welcome back to Broke Overland. My name is Chad, and you take one little trip where it gets over triple digits for a couple of days, and now somebody wants air conditioning. So, smart man would probably install air conditioning. I know what you're thinking, hey, okay, well, what are you going to do? I'm going to go ahead and go against my better judgment. Let's install some air conditioning. Well, piss. Unpackage this thing, and the freaking, if you can tell, that thing is smashed in. So, must have gotten damaged in shipping or something, but by the time I unpackaged this, I mean, this has been a year since I bought this, so crap. Chuck a tube, or like an end cap stuck on here. We're just beating it slowly out to see if it'll come apart, and it is working. It's not super great, but at least it's out enough to, work if it needs to. We need to bend it that way a little. Yep, she's cracked. All right, we're done. Yeah, oh well. Broken now. Scooge this up. I think we got it. Okay, well, we got a little rebuild going on there. It's holding pressure, so we're good. So we can put the fans back on it. I sent a picture over to the Cruse and Comfort Company, and they sent me a box, which is awfully nice of them. They did say that they had other people experience damage similar, so they are now building all of their units in-house. They're no longer having the manufacturer put them together, because they've had other people say they were damaged in shipping. So let's see what we got. Well, they weren't screwing around with this packing. Look at that. She's got a bit of a blow to her. Okay. Oh my God. Look at the bow on that thing. Oh man. That's okay. We can get around that. Oh my God. There we go. Look at that. Oh, that's look good. Okay, let's take this guy off of this guy. Put it on that guy. Let's see. There we go. Put this guy off here. Put it on schmear. Nothing line up. Lines up good enough. Holes are a little smaller on this radiator than they are on the other radiator. Okay. Cool. Just like that, we got a condenser. It still look pretty good. Okay, so we've got the covers and everything off, and I think we're going to go ahead and put the AC system right there so that we can run our ducting out the front to the back. But we've got to mount this guy with some 3/8 lag screws into the floor. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so we're going to have to drill a 2.5 inch hole through the floor in order to run our refrigerant lines out. So we're just going to do it right here. Eeny, meeny, someplace close. Okay, for those of you that don't like big expensive mistakes, please look away now. There we go. Ow. Oh man, battery's dead. Fresh battery right off the charger. Wow, that's just awesome. Let's see if these can work. Let's see if we can feed this through the bottom of the truck without cutting it. Get through. There we go. All right, and there we go. There. I forgot. I forgot the power cable to the fans. Oh crap! So I used SketchUp to model our part for our AC lines to go through, and the power line and the drip system. These are opposite, so that one will flip over to the other side, and then we cut it with Cruse slicer, and then we are going to print it out on the Cruse printer. Alrighty, so let's put our newly 3D printed. Okay. No, that's one. There we go. Okay. Probably don't need the clamps, but I got a bunch, so why not use them? It's just a drain tube anyway. That and there is going to be the 90-degree. Go right there. Okay. There we go. Just put this in there like so. There we go. Perfect. Like I said, not sitting. There we go. That's what I want you to do. Just like that. There. What? Get out of there, you piece of junk. There. There we go. Now the pecs will hold it in place. And now we'll put our plate on the other side and start mounting our fans and our condenser. There we go. Okay. All right. My perspective, laying on the sway bar, pinned against the bumper, or the, what do you call this thing? Oh, so I can reach up and work on that guy. So these trucks are huge but have no room. And there's our fans all up, hiding above all of this stuff. And yes, I did. Yeah, those astute amongst you will notice that the angle of this changed at one point. I got it in, realized that I had the large inlet, or the low pressure side lower, so the bigger one was lower than the smaller one. The smaller one has to be 15 degrees lower than the bigger port, so I had to take it all out, swap all the brackets, and put it back in. Happy days. I had to omit that footage because there was nothing but a continuous stream of profanities. So we've pulled a vacuum and we're just holding vacuum for a while. So we'll turn on the pump. Here's the can. Okay. Oh. Alright. now, open up the refrigerant, and then we open up the low pressure side. Ooh, easy. Easy now. Ooh, stuff's happening. Yep, compressor kicked on. The window says we are loading. Whoa, interesting. That's done. Close that guy. Close this guy. Key in number 2. Okay. 2.5 pounds, 16, 32, it's 40 ounces. It is blowing cold. Ow. So we have AC coming up the wall over there when the bed is down. And when the bed is up, the AC is coming up right behind us. Perfect. Now, there's a table coming up. So we've got ourselves some air conditioning. It works with the bed up or with the bed down because it's running out of the back over here. I do need to redesign the way that I've got the vents, because the way that I've got these set up is the thickness on there is extremely loud. Probably can't hear on the camera, but it is noticeably different with the vents in. So I'm going to redesign those a little bit, but for the most part, we've got it working. So I hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and we'll see you in the next one. For crying in the mud. Okay, there we go. Ah, crap. You guys are like right in my face. Stand by. It's supposed to be non-toxic, right? Okay, Garmin. GoPro, stop recording.